Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. Found some more tradies to strong arm into getting on camera. So I got Aaron and Luke from Waikato Post and Rail. Cheers guys. What we're doing is Brian's had this awesome fence that stood the test of time since the 80s. It served the old fruit shop, but we need something more beautiful for the show shed. So we've got a big post and rail fence going in, and we've got the guys Waikato Post and Rail doing it. So talk to me, Aaron, Luke, how long you guys been in the fencing game, and what sort of fences do you do?
Been 7 years now. Do everything, cover everything really. So fencing,
sheep fences, residential fences.
Yeah, do the lot. Yeah, a lot of retaining walls and stuff.
Awesome. So what we're doing at the moment is we're just getting the levels on site. We're waiting on Big Roy. He was meant to be here, but he's running late. So we're getting the levels right so that we can get the fence going down this way and going down that way, and we're putting a concrete mowing strip. We're going to be digging all that out later on today, and then these guys will be back on Monday to do the work. But should we pop over and just have a quick look at the timber that's going to be going into this? Awesome, so we've got the timber here. This is only half of it. What are we looking at size-wise for this fence, Max?
So it's a 200 square, obviously, with the chamfered top on it, and then checked in for a 200 by 50 rail.
So are there going to be any screws going into this, or is it all just going to lock together?
No, it should all just lock together. This is beams and timber.
Beams and timber,
yeah.
eh?
Beams and timber and tuakau.
Yeah, so you guys been dealing with them a lot?
Yeah, recently we have been, yeah. So doing a few different projects around the Waikato.
Yeah, I was pretty surprised, even though like we've got no supply issues, my friends. It'll take us 3 months to get this.
Yeah, it did. So there's a bit of a lead time on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's mainly the kiln dried rails that sort of
they want to make sure they're going to give us good timber, I hope.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so all of this, only half of the fence. So, you know, we'll go see it all turn up on Monday, and we'll see all the action happening. Yeah. All right, cheers guys. Thanks for being strong-armed. Awesome. So we're back with Roy, my man.
Jace.
James working hard behind us. So we're demoing the old fence. It's coming out. We've met up with Aaron and Luke before. What have they asked for you to do?
Well, obviously, pull the old fence out.
Yeah.
Then they've given me a height down in the far corner of what top concrete's going to be. So they want 100mm full from the corner there down to there.
Yep.
Then along Hunter Road, we're just going to cut level, and I'm going to be 700 wide all the way down, and just enough for the mowing strip to go in as well.
That sounds awesome. All right, you can follow us along. The rumours are Jason has to use his hammer on site, so I'm going to help the boys out. We're going to do a bit of demoing because I want some of this timber for at home, and we're going to get this ready to go. Well, that was a good little bit of fun. Got the forearms working. We've smashed the fence out, Roy. Well done.
Cheers, mate.
Got me on side.
Crack a sweat.
Yeah, crack a sweat. Earn my good George beer shortly. So yeah, we're going to just finish pulling all these posts out, get rid of them. The good stuff we'll reuse, and the not so good stuff we'll get rid of. And then we can dig it out and get this underway for an awesome looking fence. Cheers.
Cheers, Jace.
All right, it's been a great day. We've done some decent mahi out there today. How have you left it looking, Roy? What have you finished up with?
So what I've done is we've demoed the fence, gone through, set our heights to what the fencer asked us to do. So then I've cut down 150mm below that. So then when the fence goes in, the concrete will just come through, box it up for the mowing strip, put some sand in the bottom, slam some concrete in there, and it's happy days.
Yeah, sweet. No, it's looking good. And these, deck chair hazy ale, good George. Tasting good. Review?
Not a bad drop. Not a bad drop.
That's it. It's going down well. Late autumn's day. Tasting good, feeling relaxed. So have a great day yourselves. Any questions, let us know. We love it. Cheers, guys.